Dropshipping is a business that can help online retailers lower inventory costs and be more flexible in their product offerings. Given these benefits and the unprecedented growth in e-commerce we are currently experiencing, it may be the right time for you to explore dropshipping for your business. Today, we are joined by Akash Gulyas, who is the CEO at Syncee, which is a B2B platform for dropshippers, retailers, and suppliers. I'm very excited to welcome him to learn more about dropshipping, Syncee, and its integration with Alibaba.com, and explore how online retailers can benefit from using Syncee and Alibaba.com together. So Akash, thank you for joining us today. Before we dive into Syncee specifically, can you talk about dropshipping, what its benefits are, and why it's such an exciting space in online retail?
Hi, everyone. As you mentioned, dropshipping is a new business model where new retailers can start their online business without high upfront cost or risk. But it's not only for new retailers. Existing retailers can extend their product range or portfolio easily with the new model and trying new product categories, for example, seasonal products, but they would not buy into stock because of the high risk. So this new business model, dropshipping, is for all retailers or merchants.
Let's talk about Syncee specifically. What is Syncee and how does it work for suppliers?
Syncee is a global B2B marketplace working with the most popular online e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Wix, BigCommerce, Ecwid, or WooCommerce. Suppliers can join for free and start to sell their products to dropshippers from all over the world on our platform. For retailers, it's super simple to source new suppliers and products and then upload products to their store. It is a fully automated solution on both sides, so on supplier and retailer side. So the orders from the retailer stores will be automatically synced back to the supplier stores.
Great. You mentioned some of the other companies in the sort of online retail ecosystem. So how does Syncee work with other software solutions in the e-commerce space?
Yeah, so Syncee is fully integrated. So it means that all the product sourcing and synchronization is automated, but also the order synchronization is fully automating on Shopify and Shopify Plus and Wix, BigCommerce, Ecwid, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Jumpseller, and ShopRental platform. So all these platform users can join to start to try Syncee, so absolutely for free.
Great. I'd love to talk some more specific numbers. How many products are available to dropshippers through Syncee?
On our marketplace, there are around 4 million products listed from thousands of suppliers from all over the world. On the top of it, thanks for the new Alibaba integration and partnership, we have around 400,000 products from Alibaba suppliers, and this number is growing every week with many new products and many new suppliers as they join to the new Alibaba dropshipping program. And we have around 65,000 users, retailers, dropshippers from all over the world, from many countries.
So you mentioned how many online retailers are using Syncee?
At the moment, 65,000.
65,000, and they're located globally around the world.
Globally, yeah. Mostly from the US and Canada and from European countries, but we have many users from Australia and from South Africa as well.
So you mentioned earlier that Syncee recently went live with an integration with Alibaba.com. I'd love to talk a little bit about that. How does this integration benefit Syncee's existing users?
Yeah, so the new Alibaba dropshipping integration is the first real B2B marketplace dropshipping solution on the market, because previously there were only B2C marketplace solutions for the dropshippers where they couldn't meet directly with suppliers, with real suppliers, only with other retailers. With this new Alibaba and Syncee partnership and integration, Syncee and Alibaba users can sell with high profit, and they do not have to care about the minimum order quantity, which was a problem before on the Alibaba.com platform.
Great. So that sounds great. Sounds like this integration is going to be very useful for Syncee's users. I'm curious, were there specific trends or industry data that made you prioritize this integration and decide to team up with Alibaba.com?
Personally, I am a big fan of Alibaba platform. So when I was a retailer many years ago, I used to buy products from China. So I was so happy when Alibaba contacted us and asked us to join to their technology program and to build this brand new B2B dropshipping solution together with the Alibaba team.
Great. I'd love to go into the specifics of the integration. How does it work?
It's very easy. So on the Alibaba dropshipping website, anybody can browse many product categories and to start upload to their store with a single click via Syncee. So if the retailer will receive an order from an end user, end customer, the order will be seen back to the Alibaba account, and the retailer can pay the order on the Alibaba platform. After the payment, the Alibaba supplier will ship the order directly to the end customer.
Wow, it sounds like this integration is going to be very beneficial for folks interested in drop shipping or who are already drop shipping. So curious, how does our audience get started using Syncee and Alibaba.com together?
All retailers and dropshippers can join and try the integration for free without any commitment. After a short registration on Syncee and the Alibaba platform, they can use the solution and they can start to source products on Alibaba.com.
Great. So sounds very easy. Finally, would love to close with any advice you have for our entrepreneurs, our budding online retailers in our audience today.
My advice is for every retailers, merchants, and dropshippers is to be patient and not to give it up too quickly, because to build up an online business is just like an offline business. It takes time, and you should work hard to achieve your goals.
Yes, resiliency is the name of the game for entrepreneurs. So thank you so much for that. Thank you for joining us. Once again, I encourage our audience to check out this integration. There's lots of good stuff in here. Can really help open up new possibilities for your business. Thanks, Akos.
Thank you. Thank you.